Yeah. Alright. Fuck. So, today I was again not able to trade. Barely had Chinese class during 9:05 to 10:15, so it was AIDS. But I went back next class because I had math, and that class is actually light as hell. So, I went back and looked at, the 4 hour and everything. I looked what happened. So I got my buys, clearly looking for buys, of course. So yeah. That was on the daily. I went down to the 15 minute and marked out the 15 minute candle, which actually we finally saw a good 15 minute setup. So well, I can put this in halfway, about halfway. So yeah. So there we go. Good to see on the 15 minute. Head on to the 5 minute. We can see that price immediately drew back down to the 15 and it shot up, which would have been good. You could also have an inverse this 5 minute gap. This 5 minute gap, didn't really see anything on there. So yeah, I'd have you inverse the 5 minute gap. I already went over this. Yeah, so inverse the 5 minute gap from the 1 minute. Because it comes in here up, down, up, down. I mean, once you can see it go up there, you can set your stop below the halfway line. I'd say once you see that confirmation, but I guess this is like confirmation around here. But yeah, or you could go into inverse is this gap, which it doesn't really give you. It's not really like that big of a. It's a pretty small trade though, right? Not terrible. Target this area liquidity. I think that'd be my first. Target here. Not bad. I mean, not bad, but yeah, it's just smaller. You have more confirmation. Yeah, so what I looked at, it was like this would have been a good setup here. You have that gap too for extra confirmation. Inverse it. You'll set right in here. Price goes down. Right off rip, comes into the 15, flips back up. Vehicles also do when it comes back into this order block. Boom. So yeah, not a terrible trade. It was a good day. Also look on NQ. I looked at NQ a little bit because I know they kind of go hand in hand. And I had the same thing. What in the fuck is this thing? Kind of forgot what I put on this. Yeah, so you have a 4 hour gap. Come in 1 hour. I don't know why I marked this fucking purple box out. We're gonna get rid of this. I think I marked it from yesterday. Hey, you do have that hour box. I guess I can put it in. So the 15 minute. That's a 15 minute candle. I'm gonna get rid of this. Go 5. You could do an inverse off this gap. Especially when you see price pushback here. Let's see if this liquidity sweep. Swept that liquidity. Because that didn't get swept right there. It touched it. Swept that liquidity. So yeah, so have that liquidity, and this liquidity, and then you can kind of see inverse to the upside. So you can mark this 5-minute gap. But this is where something with an 8-minute wouldn't work, or where the 15-minute wouldn't work. Hold on, let me go back to the ES real quick. Go back to ES. So yeah, so this kind of started. Market opens and then it taps back into there. If this pushed through it, I wouldn't really be waiting for inverse. I just wait for like confirmation that it'll flip a gap or something. That's what I've learned. Like I wouldn't wait for it to come back into the 15-minute. If it inversed it, I'm looking for shorts there. So yeah. Because, I mean, you can see here, like, price just did not want to push past this. Immediately goes back up, inverses the 5-minute. And you can go in right there and the 5. Or once you see it inverse this, you could go in and have it set up off of there. But I kind of like the 5-minute for leg up, gives me extra confirmation. It kind of did at the same time. You could target this liquidity, target this liquidity, any other liquidity you see. So yeah, this was a fairly easier day. Yesterday was kind of a hard trading day, but this was a little easier. I found it easier setup. Maybe it's because I just wasn't really trade. Like I didn't get to really look at the charts till after. But yeah. And then on this one, price isn't really doing anything. Nothing. I already looked at these. I forgot which one I should look at. Nothing. Still trading sideways. Big volume spike. I don't know what happened. Nothing there. Maybe possible breakout. Probably wait till it goes above here. Kind of break the trend. Oh, here we go. Jump, and then we can see a dip today. You could short there. So then jump and then just short it. Wait till it gets back down here. But yeah, you could short it there. Those shorts. I think there's another short here. Wait, shit. No. Yeah, I don't really see anything there. Ah, my ear, fuck. No. Volume dying. Hey. Let's go. Wait for this to volume dying. Let's go see our simple moving average. You fuck. How do I get rid of that? Okay. Alright, we'll go look at it after. Yeah, look at this one. Jump. Got that jump. short. Look at this. Because it started trading up, jump, short. So, look at that, bro. I like that. Yeah, jump, short. Go 5 minute. Go 1 minute. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get the simple moving average. I want to see that. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, I don't know how to get rid of it. Oh, here we go. This one just waiting for a breakout. So yeah, I think we're good. Fuck. Yeah. That's it for today. Looking nothing else to go over. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and peace. I'll see you all